Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I want to remind you that those who are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Along with hit the bell notification icon so that you can get the new video updates in right time. Again, I want to thanks to them, those who have subscribed to my channel. So today I am going to tell you about Petunia's care. So Petunia is a winter loving plant. This plant likes sunlight. If this plant gets sunlight for 7 to 8 hours, it is very good for plant growth. And this is a very hardy plant. If you do not give this plant water for one day, then also your Petunia plant do not die. This plant survive in your garden if you care properly. And this is a very hardy plant. And yes, it fades a little bit, but as soon as you add water, then the plant comes in the same condition after a while. So you can keep it in such a place, yes, there is a little sunlight and a little shade. So there are 4 types of petunias. The first one is grandiflora petunias. The second one is multiflora petunias. The third one is milliflora petunias, and the fourth one is spreading petunias. So we will start from grandiflora petunias. Grandiflora petunias are the most common type of growing petunias. So this type of species grow 3 to 4 inch tall, which is blooms often upright, but may spill over the side of your container or window. The second species is multiflora petunias. So the multiflora petunias have smaller flowers and a more abundant bloom. The third species is milliflora petunias. So the milliflora petunias are the miniature variety of growing petunias, and they are compact and reblooming. And the fourth species is spreading petunias. So the spreading petunias are only 6 inches tall and can rapidly cover a selected area to function as a blooming ground cover. Regular watering and as much sunlight as possible to promote multiple blooms. Spreading ground cover petunias are pickest about water. Weekly waterings should be included in the care of petunias. While petunias will grow in a partially shaded location, a fuller and more abundant bloom is produced in full sun. Soil prepared before planting. Petunias should have well composted organic matter worked in. Care of petunias will include regular fertilization with a balanced water-soluble fertilizer designed for blooming plants. As they are heavy feeders, petunias care will also include weekly feedings. Proper light, water and fertilization when caring for petunias will ensure a long season of beautiful blooms. Proper petunia care involves removing spent blooms and the seeds they may produce. When deadheading the growing petunias, remove the base of the flower to include seeds removal. Petunias allowed to go to seed will slow or stop blooming. Double and single blooms offer a selection of solid and multicolor flowers. When you purchasing young petunias, choose plants with a compact form and unopened buds. Again, I want to say that it's a hardy plant. Though it is a hardy plant, it doesn't mean that less care is required to the plant. Open blooms on the petunias are best removed after planting for a more abundant sow in the future. Grow petunias is easy and rewarding. Do not let your water log into the pot or on the soil. Keep the drainage hole little bit big. And check the pot properly when you give water to the plant. Water is drained out through the drainage hole or not. As you know, petunias are heavy feeders. Apply slow release fertilizers at the time of planting and fertilize throughout the season. If you think that your petunias grow leggy, then cut them back and fertilize them. You can give water to this plant daily. If the soil is wet, then do not give water. If the soil is dry, then give it water. As you can see, both the petunia plant has grown in the wheat bag. I haven't been able to plant both these petunia plants in any pot. And I purchased both these petunia plants from the nursery at the rate of 80 rupees per plant. As you can see, these two petunias plant will be very large and dense. And I will report this plant very quickly in my next video. As you can see, the soil below the plant is not visible and the whole wheat bag is covered with leaves and flowers. I want to tell you one more thing. Use clay pot while planting a plant. Thanks. Guys, thanks for watching my videos. Again, I want to thanks to them those who have subscribed to my channel and those who are new subscriber to my channel. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye, take care.